Good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Myself Pradeep Chakravarti, your art teacher. Welcome to my virtual classroom. Today, I have something really exciting for you. I'm going to teach you how to make realistic eyes. So buck up and join me. So now I will tell you what you need to draw. So I have 4 pencils. One is 4B, another one is 6B, then 8B, and then 10B. And you need an eraser and a sharpener and normal paper which you have at home, that A4 sheet or any drawing sheet, whatever you have. So you can draw on that. So let's start. So first we have to make a sleeping line. So this is the measurement of the eyes. So here in the center of approximately the center, you have to make a circle, which is your eyeball. If you can't make a circle in a single thing, you can use the thumbs up or any other bottles cover you can use. And then here you have to make a arrow. So you have to make 2 arrows from 2 sides, and then you have to join 2 arrows touching the circle. Downside also the same. So once you're done with this, you have to erase the measurement line. Then you have to retouch the things, and now you have to make the line bold. Here also you have to make a curve line. And then on the top you have to make another similar line like the upper line. And then on the top you have to make the eyebrow. And then down you have to make a curve line. So this is basically the structure of our eyes. So next we will learn how to, and in the center you have to make a small circle. Then next we will learn how to shade it. With the shading part, now you can see that this is 10B pencil, and with the 10B pencil we again will cover the lines. So 10B is the dark pencil, it's 10 times bold, that's why it's 10B. And now we are darkening the lines. Here we have to make a reflections part. Anywhere you can put it, but I put it over here, that the light is coming from the top. So here is the reflections part, and on the small circle also you have to make another one. Now you have to start shading, like I'm teaching you down how to do the strokes. So you have to do from left to right, top. You have to give the strokes like this. It shouldn't be any gap between 2 strokes, so you have to make the strokes like this. So we will start with this area. So here you have to strokes like that, and once you're done with the half part, then you have to change the directions of the stroke from right to left, the same thing. So we will do from this side. Remember one thing, that your reflections area shouldn't be covered with your shade. Then you have to cover the white part with the 6B pencil. Here you can see this is a 6B pencil, and with the 6B pencil we have to cover this part. So it's almost give the gradations of dark to light shades. So once it's done, then you have to darken this center circle with 10B pencil. But remember one thing, that reflection area shouldn't be covered. So once you've done this, then you have to make the eyelashes. But before that, you have to shape. So you have to hold the pencil like this. Just simply keep your pencil on the paper and just hold it, and then you have to shade it. So this is the easy way. So here you have to make something dark, so you have to repeat it in the place. You have to rub the pencil repeatedly, and then slowly you have to make this thing light. So once you're done, then you have to again make it dark, this part too. So once it is done, you can see that here also this part has rubbed over here, so it gives already a shade. If it is not, then you have to give by yourself. So once it is done, then you have to again sharpen your pencil for the eyelashes. But before that, we will do this part too. You can do it later also. So now we will sharpen the pencil. You can see that I'm sharpening my pencil, and then we have to add the stroke. So instead of that, we are taking 8B pencil that our 10B pencil has broken, and we are giving the strokes. So how to keep the strokes? That you have to make the curve line as the strokes on the top, and when you are doing down, then you have to do like this. So curve line basically. But remember one thing, that there is no space between two strokes. So we are doing on the top, that you can see. And as I told, there is no space. And then here also you have to do the down part. So you have to start from here. Here the eyelashes are small, and then once you're done with this, then only one work has left, and that is your eyebrow. So same techniques, but here, this time it's techniques called cross hatching. So you have to do one thing for the eyebrow, that you have to stroke from the line. Suppose you have the line, so you have to, from left to right up, you have to use the strokes. You have to fly the pencil. First press the pencil on the line, and then fly it on the right, left, up. And once you're done with this, again you have to do from the opposite direction, from right down to left up. So we will do the same thing for this. And again. So once you're done, then you have to erase the extra part of your drawing. So here it's actually nose part was there, so we are not drawing the nose, but we are keeping the place left. So here is the realistic eyes. So I think you like. So hope you liked my eyes. So you also try, and once you try, just share your photos to your class group so I can give you the feedback too. Okay, so bye bye, stay home, stay safe.